capturing the past through historic photography. 1925 Renault 40CV. Images of the 40CV reflect its racing pedigree. 1924 Amilcar CGS. Images of the CGS showcase its small, sporty design popular among racers. 1922 Austin 7. Images of the Austin 7 show its role in popularizing affordable cars in Britain. 1921 Lincoln L Series. Images of the L Series capture its refined, conservative style. 1920 Duesenberg Model A. Images of this luxury car showcase early American elegance. 1946 Fraser Standard. Images of the Fraser Standard reflect its clean, modern design.